Did we just pass through a town? Okay. Not too bad, right? Wait a sec, did they load me without any coal? There's a shovel. The coal is supposed to be in there. Folks. We're on a train that doesn't have any coal. Oh. We're on a train that doesn't have any coal. Oh my god. We're doomed. We're dead. All of us. We're dead. We're dead. We're doomed. There's nothing in it. Y'all, there's nothing in this boiler. This train is running on a hope, a wing, and a prayer right now. Kind of like my life, actually. Yeah, we're just gonna hope for the best. And hoping for the best sometimes is just enough. And there's no way to contact help, is there? No, there's not. I don't even have a bell. Or a whistle. I don't have any of that. I was looking for that. And there's nothing up there that I can use as an S.O.S. And we don't have any calls, so I can't do a smoke signal. I can't. We're doomed. We are absolutely doomed on this train. We're gonna die. Can I jump? Oh. I think I'm gonna jump. Jumping doesn't work. Because unfortunately, somehow, I am connected to the train. You kind of go down with the ship, I guess. You can't commit kamikaze. I can't jump to safety. This is kind of concerning, actually. I'm regretting everything. I just seen my life flash before my eyes. I don't know, what would you do in this situation? If you were, like, absolutely stuck on a train that you couldn't jump out of, regardless, what would you do? Punch buggy, green, no punchback. Random.